everybody, my name is AJ from Grade 3 Yummy. Today we're going to make an experiment called walking water. So the materials you're going to need: red food coloring, yellow food coloring, blue food coloring, and violet food coloring. We're also going to need 7 plastic cups, and we're also going to need 6 paper towels. Fold it up like so. So this is how your paper towel is going to look like. So the next thing we're going to have is water. Okay, so now we're going to get 4 of the paper cups. Okay, and now we're going to put them with water just up to here. I don't know if it's going to be a lot. It might be a lot though. Let's just put it. Okay, so now we got our water filled up in the cups. So now we're going to add some food coloring. Right over here. At least 5 drops. Maybe 2 for this one because it really looks dark. Now let's mix that up. Now next for the liquid food coloring. I'm just going to put it here in the red. I'm just going to open it up. This is yellow. This might come out a little bit slowly, so we're going to put 5 drops if we can. Okay, there you go. The spoon didn't work. So we're just going to get our... Oopsie. Whoa, that's a lot. Okay. We're going to put blue right here. Oh. Okay, now that the food coloring is in, we're going to put the cups in between. Here's an empty cup here. So now guys, we're going to put the paper towels in. Let's put it first here on the red. Okay. Now, let's put it here. Ooh. You see that the water is going up. See that? The water is already going up to that. So, I just came back from a few hours to check my science experiment, and it looks so cool. Ta-da! All the colors are mixed up together, and these 2 colors and these 3 colors were going through the paper towels, and now they're missing colors. Red and yellow make orange, yellow and blue make green, and I think purple and blue kind of make a galaxy color, if you know what I mean. Yeah, it was so cool. So there you have it, an experiment to do. Walking water. Easy science experiment to do at home. And I hope you enjoyed the video. Bye!